Hello students, today I am going to start the second part of chapter 1 computer memory of class 4th. In the last video, we have learned about the primary memory RAM and ROM. Now today we will read about the secondary memory. Secondary memory, also known as external memory of computer, auxiliary storage and the permanent storage. It is a storage medium that is used to store information for a longer period. The secondary storage is typically slower and is of higher size capacity than the primary memory. Yes, in secondary memory devices, they have or they can save a large amount of data, and the speed to access the data is slower in secondary storage in comparison of primary storage. Secondary storage devices are hard disk, USB flash drive, CD DVD, memory card, Blu-ray, etc. First, hard disk. It is the main storage medium for computers. Due to the large storage capacity, it is preferred to store all important data into the hard disk of the computer for long time. A hard disk is also called a fixed disk. It is fixed inside the computer or CPU box. It is made of metal plates fixed on a spindle. A spindle is a pin that is in the center of the hard disk. These plates are coated with magnetic material. Hard disks are generally available in 80 GB, 120 GB, 500 GB, 1 TB, and up to the 5 TB capacities. Next, CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. CD is an optical storage device. It consists of tracks and sectors to store pictures, sound, video clips, or any kind of data. They are read only memory devices. CD are normally called CD-ROM. CD for compact disc and ROM read only memory. They are read only memory devices. If we want to store our files and folders on them, we need the CD writer. The diameter of CD range from 10 cm to 30 cm. One CD can store up to 750 MB data on it. Laser reads, laser means light, a light beam. Laser reads the normally used CDs. So once the data is stored into CD, it cannot be erased. But at present in the market, rewritable CDs are also available. Next, DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is very similar to a CD but can store much more data in comparison to a CD. It can save the more than six times more than a CD. A single DVD can store many cartoon movies and pictures. DVD is inserted into DVD-ROM, and the storage capacity of a DVD can be 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Next, USB flash drive. A USB flash drive or pen drive is a memory stick which is of a pen top size. Yes, it is a small in size and it is a plug and play device. It also known as USB device. This device is attached outside the computer at a place. That place is known as USB port. It is recognized by any computer as a removable drive. It typically comes in size from 512 MB, 512 MB to 64 GB. MB means megabyte and GB for gigabyte. Yes,